Excel. How to do a custom sort with a list. You might have a table with data in Excel where a column contains specific words, and instead of ordering this column by alphabetical order, for example, you might want to choose the order. In this table, I want to order my students from those not achieving, indicated with well below standard, to those above standard. To do this, select your table by clicking anywhere in the table and pressing Ctrl+A. Then, from the Home ribbons, select the drop-down menu under Sort and Filter. Select Custom Sort. Select your field. In this case, I want to sort on assessment band. In the Order drop-down, select Custom List. Select New List and type in all the options from your column in the order you'd like them sorted. Select Add. Select your new list and then select OK. Select OK again and your table will now be sorted. You can then go back into Custom Sort and add in additional columns, for example Year Level and Home Group.